Florence Classical Arts Academy, we believe that classical art education is not a thing of the past, but a time-proven way to give emerging artists a capacity for a top-level, creative future. Our mission is to give you the opportunity to study and refine traditional techniques of painting, drawing, and composition, which will develop confidence and the strength of character to become a professional artist of the highest caliber. Our passionate and highly skilled art professors are prepared to guide students through a comprehensive art program using a well-rounded and impeccable teaching method. During the course, students will learn classical techniques of oil painting, drawing, and copying of the works of old masters with a curriculum that is approachable and adaptable, ranging from beginner to professional level. Enrollment for the winter intake is open. Release your inner artist and begin your creative journey today.